How to manage render profiles in Kdenlive. First of all, open your Kdenlive project and get ready to export your video. Next, click on the render button at the top middle of the interface to open the render dialog. In the render dialog, you will see a list of preset render profiles such as MP4, WebM, AVI, and more. These profiles determine the output format, codec, resolution, and other settings for your exported video. You can add new profiles, delete unwanted ones, or edit existing profiles. When creating or editing a profile, you can customize parameters like codec, bitrate, resolution, frame rate, audio codec, and more to fit your specific needs. This is especially helpful if you often export videos for the same platform or device and want consistent settings. After customizing, save your new or updated profile with a recognizable name so you can quickly select it in future exports. Using render profiles helps you save time and ensures consistent quality across your projects. Now you know how to manage render profiles in Kdenlive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.